little shop is growing. A happy place full of stories.
Every toy gets its own thank you tag. Hag.
An award for kindness and creativity.
Celebrating teamwork and love.
Let's open our own toy repair shop and help everyone. We can fix this in no time. Hold still, Bunny. This won't hurt at all.
Sparkly clean, just like brand new.
We have lots to fix, Kitten then. Let's start. All better, Dolly. You're good as new. Hold on, Teddy. We're almost done.
We fix their toys and their smiles too. Clean tools, happy shop.
Welcome to Toy Repair. How can we help?
All circuits ready. Beep, beep. A family that fixes together, stays together.
Every toy finds its way home.
Our biggest repair yet.
We'll finish before sunrise. Here you go, little one. Enjoy.
Hi. Oh, thank you. He's so soft.
Our little shop is growing.
See? I fixed it. Now it rolls.
A happy place full of stories. Tomorrow's another
adventure.
Oh no. Our toys are broken, Kitten. We need to fix them. I'll bring the string, you bring the glue.
Welcome! We'll make your bunny as good as new.
Everything works perfectly. Every toy gets its own thank you tag. Hag.
Let's deliver smiles, one toy at a time.
Here's your favorite toy, all fixed.
You're bringing joy to every child. Fixing toys makes me hungry. Every repair deserves a bow.
An award for kindness and creativity.
We did it, Kitten.
Celebrating teamwork and love. Each toy we fix tells its own story.
The board is all set up.
And here are the dice. Who wants to take the first turn?
I'm ready when you are.
Dreaming of more toys to fix.
Move along there.
We fixed hearts today, not just toys. See you tomorrow.